How to archive TikTok videos. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to archive your TikTok videos, but you cannot find the option of archive, what you're simply gonna do is first of all, open the TikTok application on your device, then go to your profile which is in the bottom right corner of your screen, then you have to search for your video which is right over here. Now, click on the video, then go to the three dot which is over here. After that, scroll over here. Then go to the option which says privacy settings. After that, you'll see three options under who can watch this video. Everyone, friends, and only you. Go to only you, and there you go. A specific video has been archived. Now, in order to watch this, go to this option over here which shows a lock icon. Then you can see your video over here, and only you can see this video. However, if you have many followers and you cannot and if you have many videos and you cannot waste your time doing it one by one like this, what you're simply gonna do is in the top right corner, you'll see a three bar option. Click on it, then go to settings and privacy. From here, scroll to the bottom of the page, then go to report a problem. After that, scroll a bit down and go to the option creation. Under creation also, you have to go to the option which says other. Then again, go to the option other. Now wait for some time. After you're taken to this sort of page, you have to go to the option which says need more help. Now over here, you have to write a message to the TikTok saying, I want to make all my videos private or other things. After you do that, TikTok will respond within a few time. Now, this is how you can archive your TikTok videos. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful to you and see you in the next video.